Hello everyone, welcome back to Mahika.studios. It's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I have been uploading a few shorts over the past week on YouTube, so don't forget to watch it. So please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, like and share my videos so I can create more content for you. So in this video, I want to show you how I make my own fixative. I hope everyone watching knows what a fixative is, and for those of you who don't know what it is, it's this spray that acts like varnish that prevents smudging when you create artworks using charcoal, pencils or pastels. I don't want to use the store-bought fixative for my sketches because first of all, I don't like the smell of it because it gives me a headache, and also you need an open space which is really hard to find in an apartment. I generally use the store-bought for my larger pieces of charcoal works which I plan to sell or exhibit. I currently use rowney and it's really good. I used to use Camelin Fixative because it wasn't so expensive. Just remember to shake it well before you use it, or else it just splatters out and that solution creates a hard texture on top of your work, and you don't want that happening on your best work. And so anyway, I make my own fixative for my sketchbook drawings. I had learned it in college. People used to use hairspray as well, but I liked this instead. So here's how I make it. I got the spray bottle from Daiso, or you can even find a spray bottle online. Any white glue, say Fevicol or other brands that's available. I'm using Mod Podge white glue here. I used to use Fevicol, it was really good. And also you need water. So 1 part glue and 2 parts of water. Mix it well and it should be liquid enough for the solution to spray through the bottle easily. Sometimes you need to add a little bit more water, so check that consistency. So let's give this spray a try, and I'm going to test it on this pencil drawing that I just did of this rabbit. I'm going to spray it on, wait for it to dry, and then give it a smudge test. Okay, looks like it's perfect. It's smudge-free. We're also going to check it on this charcoal sketch. And it's perfect on charcoal sketches as well. As you can see, there's no charcoal on my fingers. So what do you think? Give it a try, and also let me know in the comments if there are any other methods of making your own fixative. And also if you give this a try, do let me know if you liked it. I hope to see you all again with another video. Till then, stay in touch by subscribing to my channel, like my videos and do share it too. Love you all, take care and stay safe.